In this video, I'll be putting up foam board insulation on concrete walls in my basement. This is just one phase of my basement room build. The materials I used were 4x8 sheets of foam board insulation. I used seam tape for house wrap, and then I used a Loctite glue that was safe for foam board. The first thing I did before installing the foam board was to waterproof my walls using the Dry Lock waterproof paint. Here I'm applying the Loctite glue to the back of the foam board in vertical lines. The vertical lines will supposedly help any moisture that gets trapped behind the foam board to drain down to the floor. So once I'm finished applying the glue, I'll place the board in my starting corner. I'm also going to lean a piece of wood against it to make sure that it holds tight against the wall as the glue dries. So now I'm putting the glue on the back of the second sheet of foam board that I have. So the foam board is actually tongue and groove, so you want to make sure you're installing it the right way to get a tight seal. So I'm installing the third piece here. I'll do it the same way I did the first two, putting glue on the back and then pushing it up against the next one for a tight seam. If you have to cut these, they're really easy to cut using a razor blade. It cuts kind of like drywall. You just score a line and then snap it. Once I had all the panels installed, I put the seam tape over all of the joints. So this project took me a few hours and really wasn't that difficult. Just let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about this project.